Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, let's talk about something many of us desperately need: stronger, healthier hair. If you've been fighting hair breakage and damage, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. We're diving into Aveda's Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, designed to repair and strengthen while preventing breakage. Let's see if this duo can live up to its promises. Now, Aveda is a brand known for its holistic approach to beauty, offering high-quality products with a focus on sustainability. This set isn't just about cleansing and conditioning your hair. It's also packed with a unique bond-building technology that promises to repair hair from the inside out. And of course, it's free from silicones, which is a major plus if you're concerned about buildup and long-term hair health. Looking at the key benefits, these products claim to cleanse and detangle damaged hair while preventing further breakage. A major selling point here is the use of plant-powered ingredients that help reinforce the hair's natural structure. With a generous 67.6 fluid ounces in each bottle, you're also getting a good value for the price. I've been testing this duo for a few weeks now, and I'm ready to share my experience. First off, the shampoo lathers beautifully without feeling harsh or stripping. A little goes a long way, which is a huge plus, especially with a liter-sized bottle. The fragrance is subtle and fresh, nothing overpowering, just clean and natural, which aligns with Aveda's botanical philosophy. The conditioner is rich and creamy, but not too heavy. It leaves my hair feeling soft and detangled, with a noticeable smoothness that lasts. After rinsing, my hair feels stronger, but not weighed down. I've also noticed that my hair is much easier to manage and there's less breakage when I brush through it, which is a big win for me. Now, in terms of real-world testing, I've been using this set during my normal routine, washing my hair in the morning and allowing it to air dry. While I do think this product provides a deep clean and repair, I haven't noticed dramatic changes in texture or strength after just one use. That said, it's definitely working over time, with gradual improvements in the overall health and feel of my hair. As for pros, it's safe to say the formula is solid. The shampoo cleanses well without stripping moisture, and the conditioner does its job without feeling too heavy. Both products feel high-end, and the liter size is perfect for anyone who wants to make a long-term investment in hair care. On the flip side, one potential downside is that the price might be a little steep for some people, especially if you're used to drugstore hair care. However, considering that this duo is designed for long-term repair and strengthening, the price tag can be justified if you're looking for something to really work on damaged hair. For those wondering about the value for money, I'd say this set falls into the premium category. But considering Aveda's reputation, the high-quality ingredients, and the lasting power of the product, it's definitely worth the splurge for those who need serious hair repair. In comparison to other bond-building products on the market, Aveda stands out with its natural, plant-powered formulation, unlike many others that rely on harsher chemicals. If you've tried other bond-building shampoos, you'll appreciate the gentler, more sustainable approach of Aveda. Now let's talk about the packaging. The bottles are large, so they're definitely bulky for some shower setups. But I love the sturdy construction, and the pump makes dispensing the product incredibly easy. The size is great for anyone looking for a long-lasting product. And as with most Aveda products, the brand offers excellent customer service, though I didn't need to reach out directly for this review. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some great bond-building shampoos at lower price points, such as the Olaplex No. 4 and No. 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. While those might be a bit more affordable, Aveda's offering gives you the bonus of natural ingredients and a clean formula. So what's the final verdict? Aveda's Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner Duo delivers on its promises of repairing and preventing breakage, with a noticeable improvement in hair strength and smoothness. If you're someone with severely damaged hair and want a premium solution that is both effective and natural, I highly recommend this duo. It's a bit of an investment, but the results are worth it if you're serious about hair repair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you've used this product or have any thoughts to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.